What's really good? MFrize back with another video. This is the Jordan 1 Shadow. Let's go. Alright, so the Jordan 1s, nothing hasn't really changed except for the little tag right here, which again, one of the first things I noticed when I picked up the shoes from Foot Action or Foot Locker, where I get from Foot Locker. As you can see, there's a little conversion on the shoe now. I don't know if it's something that Nike is going to be doing now for the Jordan 1s, but you can see a men's size 12 and there's conversion for women's, it's 13.5. This box doesn't feel any different as far as looks goes. On the inside, swoosh. I got swoosh right there. Then we got a Nike right here in the bottom of the box, and move that out of the way. These are the shoes in question, the Jordan 1 Shadows, and I think these are phenomenal. Again, the only pair in the colorway I'm missing from my Jordan 1 collection is gonna be the Royal ones that I wasn't able to pick up. But again, I'm not gonna be killing myself trying to get those because I'm pretty sure some years down the line they're gonna make a comeback. So when they do, I'll jump on that. These are really cool shoes. You can wear a lot of things with these, so that's the reason why I love the ones so much versus any other shoes. This gotta be my favorite ones. Any Jordan high tops in the OG colorway I really love. The material here is definitely not as soft as it is on the band ones. I feel the toe box area is it has a nice little touch to it. Nylon right here on the tongue. It's not really, it feels a little padded. I know as padded as the SB shoes. I should see it. Shoe tree in here, definitely to help the shoe keep its shape. And you can see 12 and 12.5 with a little Jordan Jumpman on the shoe tree itself. Wings logo looks really nice. Also detail on the shoe. I love how the gray definitely contrasts the black, makes it look really nice. There's so many things I could rock with these. I could put a nice pair of jeans with some blazer on there to rock these. Definitely rock with shorts also, makes a nice cool shoes for the summer, and I can definitely pull it off with a lot of stuff. Anyway, this was a really nice pickup from the mall. I enjoyed it. I was able to reserve this through the app, and I wanted multiple pairs, but I wasn't able to get them. This was the only pair I was able to get, so I'm happy with what I have. Again, I don't know when I'm gonna be wearing this, but it's definitely gonna be on my foot and enjoy some loving very soon. I hope you guys were able to pick these up. I don't think they're still floating in stores. I'm pretty sure they were gone super quick. I also joined some couple of raffles, but I wasn't able to get them. Kid size didn't come with an extra lace, only the man sizes did. So anyways, this has been my little pickup. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video, and give it a thumbs up if you do, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure you do so, and click on that notification bell for any future and upcoming videos I will make. Stay safe always. Peace, one love. I'm out.